Yeah!
So there's Brandon mowing the yard today. And we're outside with Lillian playing. There's Lily and Louise. And you guys don't get to see her with clothes on very often. But she's wearing her little onesie today. It's kind of chilly in the house, and she likes to be cuddled up, so we put that on her. And she's been outside playing. Here, you got your baby? That's her favorite toy right there. She carries it everywhere. Right now she's playing in the dirt. Whee! And this is Lillian's favorite toy, the rhino. She loves going out, and she loves going to the land and taking cruises in the rhino. She's getting so big. When we first got her, I was having to put her in preemie onesies. And they were too big for her. And now she's up in newborn onesies. She's getting big. And she was wearing preemie diapers. And now she's wearing, she went up to newborn, and now she's wearing 0 to 3 months. Whee! So she's growing up. Almost a year and a half. What are you doing? I'm recording you, Lillian. You want to say hi to everybody? Huh? Look here. You want to say hi? Yeah! She jumped on the camera. Uh-oh. Bobby's window's down. Uh-oh.
She's crafty.
Mm-hmm. Don't bump your car. There she goes. Whee! Watch it. She's on the door. But the only time we put a leash on Lillian is when she's in bed, really. That's basically the only time. Because she's real good. She knows to trust us and come when something doesn't seem right. And when we call her, she'll come to us. Hope there's nothing in that.
She thinks
She,
they're
yeah, she... She sees us doing it. Oh, she thinks she's drinking, doesn't she?
Mhm.
That's funny. So I know there's something in there. Is that pretty good? Yeah, is that pretty good? Honey, take that. I don't want her to get cut on the opening.
How much she got?
She got a couple of drops. Yeah, there is a couple of drops. Sure, it's been in there for a few days, though.
No, it's since yesterday.
Yesterday.
I got it, Grandma's.
She said, I knew there was something in there. There we go. I'm surprised she's not struggling to get the onesie off, because she's not used to wearing clothes anymore. But she looks so cute in them. I guess I just love seeing a monkey, because she's so beautiful when it's just her with no clothes. So beautiful. Lillian, are you a pretty girl? Are you Mom's pretty girl? She's going to poke a hole in that.
That's pretty thick.
Have you seen her teeth lately?
Well, she does. I'll tell you.
She does have some teeth on her. But luckily, she's a very, very sweet girl.
Now that is not.
Uh-oh, yeah. I didn't notice it was a gas can. Looking through this camera. But she's a very sweet girl. And the only time she puts her mouth on us is when she's playing, like a little dog or cat. But we still tell her not to do that. And she's real good. She's a sweetheart. Is that your baby? And we talk to her a whole lot about love. She loves her puppy dogs, and her baby, and her kitties, and us, and how much we love her. So she hears a lot about love. My goodness, what was that?
She likes investigating.
When she thinks something's funny, she sticks her tongue out and breathes hard. So cute. Was that funny? Was that funny? Hey, Rachel and Matthew are coming over, and Iris. Did you know that? They'll be here in just a minute. Well, if you haven't checked out Lillian's videos before, we appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more adventures with Lily and Louise. She wants to play with the dogs. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up on your way out. Lillian, let me see your shirt. Hold her up and let me see your shirt. Come here. Come here. Come here. What does your onesie say? Let Mama see. It says, I'm one in a melon. Okay. Does your shirt say, I'm one in a melon? I'm one in a melon. Lillian, say bye-bye. Give her a big kiss, bye-bye. Lillian, say bye-bye. And say bye-bye. Are you saying bye-bye? Good girl.